Hello, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions, and today I'm going to talk to you about a couple of things you can do to your website and have you boosting up your online presence and outranking your competition and get some business to your door. And those few things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the reason I shoot this video is this is my way of giving back to business owners and helping them grow their business by shooting them a video of showing them some things they can actually go do themselves and grow their business through their website. And sometimes they get back to me and say, hey, can we talk a little further? And then we work something out and work together. And sometimes they take the attack plan and run with it themselves. So either way, I'm fine. If you like what you see at the end of the video and you want to schedule to talk to me further, I'd be more than happy to. So I have your page pulled up here. So this is something is just one page. It's got your info to get a hold of you and stuff. But to take advantage of these tips, you really need a platform like I build on WordPress and Snaps. They are easy to use platforms and they are built for taking advantage of these tips. So when you link your domain to one of those platforms, uh, then you start building out your page and you got to pay attention to your content. So Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. The homepage being the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google, and you want Google to stay on your site longer, crawl your other pages, and crawl your content because it's looking for keywords. Keywords that you would want to build into your content, like deck repair rally. Now, if you type that in, this would be like a buyer intent type keyword you would want built into your content. So you want to get as many buyer intent keywords as you can. Then these are words that somebody will type in the search engine. So when you type that in here, you sometimes will see local ads up here. And then the next section you see here is the map section. And then down here is the organic section, which is where you want to be on the first page of the organic section. And you can do that by utilizing these tips. You especially want to be up and get yourself up to these top spots because these spots get the most traffic for any given search, for any given service in any given area. So this here would be considered your top competitor for this area. Uh, the rallypaintcontractor.com there. But I use a tool called Ahrefs to find out what's going on through a website and see how it's performing per Google. And you have just a page here. It's a branding page. So you can't have any statistics. That's why you're not getting statistics here. Uh, this is where you need control over your site, and those couple of platforms I mentioned earlier, Snaps and WordPress, they allow you to have full control. So I took that top competitor of yours right here, pulled up their front page, and you can kind of see how it's built out as soon as it pops up here. So here's their front page. We'll try to scroll down here a little bit. There we go. We kind of scroll through the front page and see their content. And they got videos, some content there. They got some, looks like linking. No, that bolding, that's a keyword thing. Oh, you see their menu kind of came down with their header. So they link words with keywords with their services inside their website there. Brochure. But I tell you, it doesn't look like 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on their front page, so it would be easy to beat them there. The Ahrefs tool, so here you go. They get a UR rating of 34 and a DR of 6. Power and trust flow numbers. Between a 30 and a 40 is a really powerful site, so they're doing something right. And then they're getting over 1,000 referring domains. You can go after those same links that they're getting because if they're good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you. So yeah, backlinking, Google's big popularity contest. Uh, Other websites pointing back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes, and Google ranks you up higher in that organic section. But not all backlinks are created equal. You want the same backlinks that are relative to your industry linking back to you. Good websites, not broken or spammy links. And like I said, you can use the same ones your competitors are using because, like I said, if they're good enough for them, they're going to be good enough for you as well. So they are also being found for almost 18,000 organic keywords and are generating over 4,000 traffic to their site in a month. So you want to be up in them top spots. You click on the keywords and then it pulls, and then you can pull up the keywords they're being found for. So these look like blogs, blog type stuff. So blogs on your site and do the same type of thing. Raleigh, North Carolina painting, 500 search volume a month. That's one of those keywords that you want built into your content if that's what you do. And more blogs. Raleigh, North Carolina, 500 search volume. Raleigh painting, 350. Raleigh painters, 350. So you get the idea, depending on your services. So like I said, deck repair, and they popped up. So that's probably one of their back pages that they're ranking. You can rank your back pages too. Just got to treat it like a home page. Um, so, and then go after them links. So the links with the keywords built into your content, that's what pushes you up higher in this organic section right here. So coming back to this map section, this is where your Google Business Profile comes into play. You get your Google Business Profile built out, name, address, and phone number from that profile, get a listing. It's called a citation. Get listed in directories such as Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages. Go get as many citations as you can, social media listings. Google finds them all, points back to you, and pushes you up higher in this map section. So between all that, that would have you up. And like I said, if you like what you see and you want to take this attack plan and run with it yourself, be cool with it, or you can reach out to me. This is my website that's about to pop up here. You can reach out to me here or shoot me a messenger or give me a call at 262-947-4860. Again, my name's Clint Lashley. My number is 262-947-4860. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a nice day.